Today's talk about immunity is honey. I bet you're wondering why my face looks like this, but I am doing a honey mask. It has oatmeal and honey. And the benefits of honey during this is it acts as antioxidant, antiseptic, and antibacterial. So it opens your pores, cleans them out, and then with open pores, helps hydrate your skin and fight infections on the outside for a better, cleaner complexion and brightens your skin. I actually just took some gluten-free oats and put them in the food processor so I didn't have too big of chunks on my face. Mixed it with about a tablespoon of honey. I used an organic honey. The girls are killing. Caroline's best friend's family actually collects
really good
honey. And they're in Plain City if you'd like more information, but it's delicious. And so other things about honey, the skin, the skin is your biggest organ. So if you're protecting it on the outside, you're doing wonders for the inside. If you take honey internally, it also acts as
got some on our hand.
Antioxidant and things like that. You can just take it as a spoonful. Back to my doTERRA lemon. We'll do a tablespoon of honey with a couple drops of lemon. And then if and when me or the girls or anyone has a cough in our family, we take Bragg's apple cider vinegar, a big tablespoon of that. Well, I guess half and half on a tablespoon, 1 part to 1 part of apple cider vinegar and honey and a drop of lemon. And I kid you not, the coughs stop. So for immunity, and because it tastes so good and sweetens your life, try some honey.